Baby, make them chips clap. Mmm. What is up, y'all? Welcome back to another freaking video. Welcome back to Marshall Says. Thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure y'all like this video. Make sure y'all comment on this video. And make sure y'all are subscribed to the channel. We're on the road to 2K. Thank y'all for the support. And we about to dive right into these chips. Now, y'all know, if you know, I don't really be eating Takis. I don't care if it's blue, black, purple, or red. Now they got TAKIS Intense Nacho, y'all. Intense. So I'm thinking it's going to be real cheddar, like caked up on our fingers, like crunchy. So let's see, okay? Let's really see. I'm excited only because this is the first chip of Takis that's not hot, I believe. I don't eat them. I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments. Let me know. Okay, it's giving cheese and a little corn chip. You know, like some stinky feet, but it's giving cheddar cheese. I dig it. I dig it. I dig it. Okay. Round of applause. Baby, make them chips clap. Okay, here we go. Let me see. So we got this. That is caked up cheese right there. Non-spicy. Look, they knew to put that right there. Non-spicy. New cheesy flavor. That's the only thing with me with Takis, the chip. I don't know if this is made out of a potato chip. Oh, they got popcorn. I don't know if it's made out of a potato chip or a corn chip. But the chip from Takis, when you chew it, is so gross. It's like really hard. I don't even want to say crunchy. That shit is hard. And it's like always, I don't know. I like the flavor. So I'm giving it a 7 out of 10. But considering it's in Takis form, it's freaking 0. Like, why is the chips itself so hard and crunchy? Then it don't taste like the cheddar after a while. It just tastes like corn, like a tortilla. Y'all cut up a tortilla and wrapped it around and fucking fried it. These just don't do nothing for me. Okay, y'all. I'm sorry. This was kind of a real review, duh. Not a bad one. A real one. The cheese is good. I just don't particularly like Takis. But I would get these rather than the hot ones. And I rate these a 7. Just so we're clear. I don't want anybody confused, okay? But just know I don't even really like Takis. But I tried the Takis and I did them for y'all. And I like the cheese and I don't even like the hot. Boom. Oh, yeah. Hold on. That cheese flavor is good. It almost gave ramen noodle chicken packet. Right there. That little piece is giving ramen noodle chicken packet. I don't care. Then you get to the chip, it's just like, I have to eat the chip after I lick all the flavor off. No joke. No joke. Definitely caked up. The flavor nice, but the chip itself, I don't think I'm gonna ever like the chip, y'all. I don't think I will. But y'all go ahead. Y'all go get that. I seen that and had to go grab it. Y'all go get it at y'all local store, as I always say. And y'all try it out. Y'all come back to this video and y'all let me know what y'all thought about it. Until next video, y'all. I'm out. I'll be coming back with some snacks, another mukbang, whatever y'all want to see. Y'all let me know. Thank y'all for the support. As I keep saying, I love y'all. Thank y'all. And these chips. Until next video. Bye.